Welcome, everybody. Bobby Two Pops breaks on a Thursday. It is October 29th, and this month flew by. We are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. She is a one-box break here. We randomed up our 32 remaining boxes out of the initial 42. We have box number 31. Random teams on the left. We have already randomized the teams to customers, alphabetized. Everybody gave you all a chance to trade. Had one offer, but was not accepted. Let's see what we got here. Oh man, we have not been hitting our F7s or flexes. Looks like it's going to be another Eclipse. Wow, guys, well. Bam, going to be the Cincinnati spot, guys. We're due for a couple of big boys here in a row, folks. We have not hit I think we only hit one last night, so. Bam, going to be the Corey Dillon Eclipse Authentic. Bam, Eclipse Authentic. That has the Schwartz be with you. Hologram on that, fellers. Bam. Again, Schwartz doesn't use cards. They just use their stickers. Cincinnati. Well, Noah, that might be Noah's first hit in the room there, Noah. Not a monster for you, Noah, but bam. Cincinnati Bengals, Corey Dillon, Eclipse Authentic. Said finally got Noah a hit there. See if we can get a couple of the others going here. That's going to wrap up the opening portion of our break. Noah, is your shipping info on PayPal correct? If it's not, can you IM me, bud, and just update me so I have your correct shipping address? I'll get it in my deck. Because I usually print directly from PayPal. Believe it or not, we got a few Noahs. Hawk's name is Noah as well. And we're definitely due to go on one of them 3 or 4 box runs where we get, you know, like 3 F7s just like the first night. We get a 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. All right, well, we got Joey and Jason are the qualifiers there, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook. I do believe that is qualifiers 21 and 22. We're only 11 boxes into our 42 box series, guys. Whole lot of big hits left for you. We're definitely due for some big boys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, 8 Central, Bobby Two Pops breaks.